I get my first 1,000 subscriber using nothing but YouTube short. I use YouTube short to get my first 1,000 subscriber. YouTube short is a very easy way through which you can get your 1,000 subscriber without stress. You too can gain your 1,000 subscriber if you follow this strategy I'm about to tell you.
You really want to get your 1,000 subscribers, you really need to hop on trend. Hop on trend. Trend is the only way through which you get your 1,000 subscribers with short. In any niche you are, there is something that's trending on that niche. If you are vlog, entertainment, comedy, tutorial, anything, AI niche, something is trending, you take advantage of that. Then for you to know how to get your trust, maybe some people don't know where to see what is trending on their niche, you have to go to your YouTube studio. As click on your YouTube studio, once the thing has opened like this, so you click on analytics. Go to analytics. Once you click on the analytics, it takes you to this place. This is your my main page. Now look up here, you will see trend. These things are the things trending on this very particular niche. These are the things trending on this niche. If you hop on this thing, create short on this things, you are going to get your 1,000 subscriber, because YouTube is a fact demand and supply. Is what people demand, that is what YouTube will supply to them. If you're an entertainment niche and something is trending on that niche, you have to take advantage of it. Both on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, anything that is trending, that is where you will get your followers and subscribers. So you have to take advantage of it. So you can now come here, look at this. Look at this. Now look at this. Look at this. So you can now say, okay, you want trending topics. Come here, say topics. I don't want to put trending, just say topics. Or as I click like this, it's going to load. Once it loads, these are the things trending on this particular niche. This particular niche. You look at the YouTube search, click here, look at this. You will use this to know those things that are highly in demand, those things people are demanding. Look at this one is very high. See, high volume demand, people want it. Look at this one is low. Some of them are high, some of them are low. High demand, high demand, high demand. Most of them are high here. So you go for those ones that are highly demanded, those ones people want. This is the ones you use to create your short and get your 1,000 subscriber. Don't just
video and promote it to more people.
On creating only your long form video and expect subscriber. Yes, you can get your subscriber from long form video, but it's mostly hard. It's mostly hard. The places where you can get your subscriber real fast is by taking advantage of short. YouTube is promoting short massively now. Okay, for example, if you go to YouTube now, just search a particular topic, YouTube is going to present short first before long form video. So that is what you know, that YouTube is promoting short massively. So take advantage of that to get your 1,000 subscribers. That is how I got my 1,000 subscriber. I'm into comedy. I got my 1,000 subscriber through trending. What is trending at that particular time, that was what I used to get my 1,000 subscribers. So you need to hop on trend. Don't say I don't do trend. Trend is very important. And okay, also I'm going to give you a bonus one, which is how to create your shorts from your long form videos. Those old videos you have already created, you know that is so entertaining, they did not really get view. You can go back and bring out short from those videos. You know, I'm not telling you to go and re-download it through Brave or through any other form. You are going to go back to those videos on your video. Like I click here, and once this thing open, we are going to take video short out from this video. This is the video. Once you click on that video, you will see the places that said, look at these things said, you see here, like, share, remix, thanks. This has thanks because it has already been monetized. Say stop ad if you don't want advert to be happening on your video. So you can stop it from here. You say clip, you see save and report. So what we are looking for now is this remix. Here you click on this remix, you see edit into a short. edit into a shot, you click like this, edit into a shot. This is going to give you at least 15 seconds shot that you're able to upload. One good thing about this is that you have the opportunity to take the smartest place. Your shot must be entertaining, spark curiosity driving, and be smart. Don't go and take the dull part, take the smartest part of your old videos. Create out 15 seconds video from those or 30 minutes. So you just come here, you look for the smartest side, the place you know that is well entertained, the place that entertain people much and more. So you will come here. Let's say is this place I want. I'll just click done. Once you click done, it process. One good thing about this again is that YouTube is not directly going to publish this thing to you immediately. It's going to give you the advantage to also pick topic for this shot, put thumbnail for this shot, and also schedule this shot. If you don't want it to go live immediately, if you want it to go live immediately, you can publish it immediately. If you don't want it to go live immediately, you can schedule this video. This is one thing that I like about this. So you can create shots before you know it, you already create out shot from your old videos. Instead of you to go back and start planning on how to create shot again, you can go back to those old videos that did not really do well. Go there and also create short out from those videos. Look for the side that hook, those side that is very interesting, that is curiosity driving, those side that is very entertaining, those side that is very entertaining. So you pick those places and use it to create out your shot. The shot is 15 to 16 seconds. So you create it, and any shot that is below 1 minute always go viral. You take it and send it, you will get thousands of views. And you know one good thing, once views are coming, subscribers are also coming. So you use this to get your 1,000 subscribers. And another thing, as you are looking for your 1,000 subscribers, don't focus on looking for subscribers alone. Also focus on looking for your watch hour. Is very important. Don't just focus on particular subscriber. Everybody is subscriber. You have to also as well look for your hour. Watch hour is very important. And another way through which you can get your subscriber apart from this very short is to create a smart 3-minute video. Very smart 3-minute video that you know people will be hooked to. Yes, very smart 3-minute video. Use it to do your restream, which I'll make video on how you go about that. Use it to do your restream. I did this. I got to 1,700 subscribers on one night, which the video was about 380 something thousand views. I got that subscribers quick. So you must not get your subscriber based on only this shot. There are many ways through which you can get your subscriber. 1,000 watch hour is the peak. Is if you have 0 subscribers to 200, 300, it's like you rolling a snowball to the mountain. It's very difficult rolling a snowball to the mountain. But once you hit 1,000 subscribers, it's like rolling a snowball down from the mountain. Very easy. Anything you do that time brings you subscriber. So that is why you have to make sure that you take advantage of this pattern to get your 1,000 subscriber. If you want this process finish, the thing will give us the opportunity to edit our video the way we want it to be. Put your title, put your thumbnail, and schedule your video. The title of this very short. Now say, let me use simple something that I can quickly do. Can you believe this? Can you believe this? Okay, this is the title I just picked for this. So you position this
kind of news. That is what happened in England 5 days ago.
You go to your next, exactly the way you post your shot. It has come to this particular place. Now this is where we do some settings. Sometimes there are ways we send our videos and short that we get to look at. Here now you cannot pick the thumbnail I want, the place I want it to be. Cannot position my shot. Okay, I want this woman face to show. Okay, I'll just say okay. I've set it there. Then I'll now put my title, which is Can You believe this? So this is it. I now put my title, my hashtags. Please, your hashtag must not be more than 3 or 4. Both your short and your long form video, hashtag must not be more than 3 or 4. Because if you put hashtag, let's say the total hashtag that should be in your video or your short should not be more than 6, but 6 is even too much for short. 6 is too much, but if you put 6, it's still okay on your video. If you put more than 6, the YouTube sees it as irrelevant. Then they're not relevant at all. You just waste your time. And also putting too much, stuffing your title with too much hashtag can get your channel in trouble. Yes, it can cause shadow ban, it can cause strike on your channel. So make sure you
want to play with you anymore.
more than 6. More than 6 is very important. So this video, let's go look at this place now. If I want people outside the country to watch my video, this is where I'm going to put it. You know, some people when they open their analytics and check the audience, their location, you find out that it's more of USA, UK, and all those people, their revenue is always high. So for you to get those people, you just come here, identify. You are telling YouTube that this my video, I want you to publish it to those in United States. I'll just put it here, United States. This is United States. You click here, it has already registered. Then I'll come here, I'll click my related video. Related video are long form video that is related to the short that you are about to publish. That long form video is related to this place. I'm going to add it. Now the important thing about this that these shorts can drag people to your channel by, if they watch this short and find this short interesting and entertaining, they can come back and watch the full video. That's why it's important to put watch complete video on your short. So once they watch it and find it entertaining, they will come back and click here, and once they click here, this will take them direct to your channel. They will go and complete the long form video. This very short is advertising this video down here. So you do some settings, which is alter content. You say no, you said no. Then your add paid promotion. If you are promoting this video, since you are promoting it, you say no, come back here. This is what you do. And also make sure your comment section is on as well. So these are the settings you do. So like this video now, I don't want to publish this video, I want this video, I'll put it on schedule. I'll go to my schedule and place it depending on the time I want it to go. Okay, 12 is okay. I want on schedule. I'll go to my schedule and place it depending on the time I want it to go. Okay, 12 is okay. I want it to go by 6. That is it. I'll write time, which is 6 p.m. because short is mainly, especially this comedy, we post by 6. So 6 is the time we post. Look at it. Your short is already set. You can create these shorts, about 20 shorts within 30 minutes. That is if network is too bad. So you can create, go back to your old videos, those ones that you know that is very interesting and did not do well. Go there and start picking them, start cutting them pieces by pieces. Those interesting parts, those smart parts, those side that drag curiosity, start sending them one after the other, one shot per day. Use this to grab your 1000 subscriber and also hook on trend. Use trend to get your 1000. So as it is, it's already loading, and once the thing is completely loaded, the thing will go off. By that time that I've scheduled it, the thing will just go off. This is very easy way for you to create shorts without stress. You create your short without stress, you post it, go back to your old videos, those old videos that you have, go and trim it, cut it and use it and create your short, so that you get enough shorts to get this your 1000 subscribers you are clamoring for. So this is it. If you like what we are doing here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, because I'm also going to make videos on how you can get your 1000 subscriber and also 4000 watch hour within 3 days. Within 3 days you can get your watch hour. If you are serious about it, you can get your watch hour within 3 days. So follow me as we take this adventure to a greater height. I am also want you to join me so that we'll grow together and enjoy the benefit later. Thank you.